This year, we have decided that we're going to make our plans obvious. So, if you have stated some plans, some goals, you've set some goals, you want to achieve certain goals this year, 2024, we have concluded that our plans will be made obvious this year. I want to use myself as an instance. I love pear a lot, especially avocado pear. I can buy it anywhere I see it, especially the unripe ones, so that the green ones, so that I store them and allow them to ripe. And I'll eat them. Sometimes I eat them I use them for salad. I eat them raw. I use them for smoothie and all that. So I love avocado so much. Avocado pear. So many people know it. But what I normally do at the process of waiting for it to get ripe, I normally store it in an airtight container and keep it in my store so that once it's ripe, I can eat it. But there's something I discovered. I discovered that I end up forgetting it. I end up meeting it or seeing it when it would have ripened or when it would have gotten bad. So I kept on throwing my avocado away because I usually meet it bad. And it's quite expensive, so it pains me. It saddens my heart when I throw my avocado away. So I decided to redesign my environment, to redesign how I store it. So I decided to be storing them in an airtight container, but this time I would drop it just at the center of my kitchen counter, at the center of my kitchen cabinet. So I don't keep it in my store any longer. I drop it where I can easily access it, where I can easily open the container and check it. So that each time I enter my kitchen, I must see it. So I decided to be making it obvious. What I'm trying to say is that singular act made me to monitor my avocado, that I could easily access it, and I stopped wasting it because I stopped throwing my avocado away because I could easily see when it's ripe and eat it. At the same time, I stopped wasting my money. So the message I'm trying to pass now is, this year, let us be intentional in making our plans, our goals, our visions, our dreams plain, obvious, accessible. By so doing, you discover you achieve a lot this year without wasting your time or resources. For an instance, in one of your to-do lists, you planned or plans this year that you want to start reading your books probably every night. What do you do to achieve that? That particular book you want to read every night, keep it just close to your bed, beside your pillow. So that whenever you want to lie down at night to sleep, the first thing you will see is that book. So it will enable you to pick up the book and read, even if it's a chapter every night. By so doing, be able to achieve that goal. Secondly, you want to lose weight. Probably you have put on so much weight this Christmas and you want to lose weight, want to hit the gym. Get your gym gear, keep them just close to your door. Once you wake up in the morning, as you're leaving your room, you're seeing it by your door. By so doing, you're automatically dressing up to hit the gym. Let me say you have some people important calls you want to make On a daily basis in your to-do list, write their names down. Keep it just by your dressing mirror or on top of your laptop. Yes. Once you sit down to make up or to dress up or to even pick up your laptop, you're seeing those names that you want to call. By so doing, you're calling them immediately. This process works wonders. It works like magic. So let us ensure we make our plans obvious this year. It's even in the Bible. It is written clearly. Write the vision and make it plain so that you will run with it. Start small. Apply this method. You will be wowed on where you're going to achieve even before the middle of the year. Thank you. And so make our visions plain this year.